The importance of practicing yoga every day. In today's stressful and pressured modern life, people are increasingly looking for ways to balance physical and mental health. Among them, yoga is considered one of the most effective and sustainable options. Not only is it a gentle form of exercise, yoga is also an art of living, a fusion of body, mind, and spirit. Practicing yoga every day brings countless benefits to the body, soul, and quality of life. Physically, yoga helps the body become more flexible and healthy. The movements in yoga affect each group of muscles, joints, and ligaments, helping to improve flexibility and strengthen muscles. When practiced regularly every day, yoga supports blood circulation, promotes metabolism, and improves the digestive and respiratory systems. Many scientific studies have shown that people who practice yoga regularly are able to maintain a balanced figure and are less likely to have problems with back pain, neck pain, or bone and joint diseases. Yoga is not only physical, but also brings great benefits to mental health. Through focusing on breathing in each movement, practitioners gradually learn to slow down, control emotions, and let go of worries and sadness. Each practice session is like a quiet time for people to connect with themselves, listen to their body and soul. That is why yoga is considered a natural medicine to effectively reduce stress and depression. Another important benefit of practicing yoga every day is to improve concentration and memory. When practitioners practice the ability to regulate their breathing and maintain balance in each movement, the brain is stimulated to function more stably and effectively. Many people say that after a period of practice, they feel more alert, more productive, and less likely to suffer from insomnia. Yoga is therefore not only a sport, but also a natural method of developing intelligence. Practicing yoga regularly also helps improve sleep quality. Deep breathing exercises and full body relaxation before going to bed help the body release stress accumulated during the day, bringing deeper and better sleep. People who maintain the habit of practicing yoga every morning or evening often wake up with a refreshed spirit, positive energy, ready for a new day. Yoga also helps people practice perseverance and discipline. To perform a precise movement or maintain balance for a long time, practitioners must go through a process of regular, persistent practice. This perseverance not only brings results in practice, but also forms good habits in life, working with a plan, knowing how to set goals, and not giving up in the face of difficulties. In addition, yoga also encourages a healthy and natural lifestyle. When sticking with yoga, many people gradually change their diet and lifestyle, know how to listen to their bodies and choose what is best for their health. They limit staying up late, reduce the use of stimulants, eat a balanced diet, and drink enough water. Thanks to that, the immune system is strengthened, helping to prevent diseases effectively. It is impossible not to mention the community value that yoga brings. Participating in yoga classes or clubs helps people expand their relationships, meet people with the same passion, and aim to a positive lifestyle. This connection not only motivates them to maintain their practice habits, but also brings joy and a sense of sharing in life. In particular, practicing yoga every day does not require a large space or expensive equipment. Just a mat, a quiet space, and a willing spirit are enough to start. No matter how busy you are, you only need to spend 15 to 30 minutes a day to practice. Consistency is more important than intensity, and after a short time, you will feel a clear change in both your body and mind. Practicing yoga every day not only helps maintain health and improve your figure, but also is the key to a peaceful and happy life. In today's turbulent world, taking time for yoga is the most profound way to love and care for yourself. Start today, even with just a few simple movements, to feel the positive energy that yoga brings to your everyday.